Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your videos and photos stand out with the trending HDR effect that is blowing up all over social media. So here I've already on CapCut mobile. You can just import your video first to CapCut. And then here you can follow my step. First, you can go into filter, and then you can use the 4K filter in here. If you don't see it on feature, you can just click on the search button in here, then use the keyword 4K, this one. So apply it to the clip and adjust the intensity to 100. Hit on a check icon, and now you can go to adjust, and here you can follow my adjustment. First, the brightness, you can increase it to 15, contrast 10, and saturation I'm going to increase it to 20, brilliance to only 5, then adjust the sharpen to 50. Now add some vignette effect. So swipe this one, add around 5 to 10. I'm going to just go with 5. Hit on a check icon, and now you can go back and click on the overlay button, add overlay, and in here I'm going to add this overlays right here, this one. Add it into the video and adjust the size so it covers all of your clips. Don't forget to also adjust the duration so that it apply to all your edits. Click on splice, darken, and lower it to 35. And that is the last step. Now this is the final look of HDR effects in CapCut for your videos. You can just export this and you can upload the video to your social media platform. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye.